What's going on, YouTube friends? This is Midlife Moto Crisis. We make motorcycle-related content along with our dog Ryder, the motorcycle dog, on our 2007 Harley Ultra Classic. So kickstands up and let's get down the road. Don't forget, if you like what you see, smash that like button and share with your friends. What's up, guys? How's everybody doing today? Today is my day to get ready for the Forgotten Angels camp out, and I think I mentioned this in my last video, but I will be going to grab the camper and we will be trailering our bikes. As you can see, the weather from up north is making its way down here. Let's go get that camper. I keep it at a storage unit. Also need to bring my boat back there before the neighborhood starts getting mad at me for keeping my boat here. Anyway, let's go get the camper. There she is. Let's get her all hooked up. Let's get down the road. Alright guys, we are moving down the road. So we're gonna be doing dry camping here for the next 4 days. So got my generator, gotta fill up the water, should have plenty of food. I'll see you down there. So we are now loaded, locked, and ready to hit down the road, ready to get down the road to head to the Forgotten Angels event. Obviously, we're taking the RV today and trailering everything in. It is a beautiful day. It's a little chilly out, but let me come and show you. We are actually taking some motorcycles with us. We're gonna, first of all, we have Jeffrey Grommer on the back right here. Jeffrey Grommer is all loaded up and ready to go. And let me show you what else we have in the camper. We have, coming in, the ODB. The ODB is locked and loaded right now. So, and we are about an hour late. There's Miss Moto Crisis.
We're not late.
But we did get some new stuff on our vest, as you can see right here. Very proud of this. That is the Minor 8. It's in honor of my late son, Nicholas. Love you, Nick. But let's get down the road. What's up, guys? It is official. We are heading down the road. The Moto Crises are en route to Forgotten Angels camp out. I really look forward to this camp out. I'm hoping that I can capture that this weekend on camera for you guys, and maybe, just maybe, influence you coming down or even buying a ticket. Anyway, Miss Moto Crisis, you got anything to say?
Get down the road.
Let's get down the road. Well, guys, we have just turned onto I-4, and guess what? That's right. The last time I came, this is exactly what happened. I-4 is the pipeline, the only pipeline that goes to Tampa, and it's one of the main reasons I don't go to Tampa more often. I would love to. I would love to go to Forgotten Angels more often, but this road sucks. It just sucks. Look. This is why I should have left in the middle of the night last night. Probably still would have been traffic. Anyway, let's get down the road. What's up, guys? We are on our first stop at the rest stop here. I just wanted to go and check on things. I like to make sure everything is doing fine, and it looks like Jeffrey Grommer is still with us. That's a good thing. And Ryder the motorcycle dog right there. And he's gonna go use the bathroom. I'm gonna go check on the camper. Oh, no, no, no. Look at all of that. See that? You see? Bike's doing great. Yeah. So we gotta fix some of this. Look at that. Push this in here. Push this in here. These things, I need to redo them. Other than that, man, we're looking good. We're looking good. We're looking good. Anyway, let me take a little bit of a rest, use the bathroom, and we've got about 50 minutes left, so halfway there. It's Ryder, the motorcycle dog. Ryder, what's up, buddy? What's up? You find a place to go to the bathroom yet?
All the smells.
Smelling all the smells.
Dog over there.
Hey everybody, how's everybody doing? Anyway, at the rest stop. It's a beautiful day. Probably not gonna, yeah, it's cold. It's a little chilly. So, I mean, I like it. It's beautiful, actually. It's not cold to me. It just feels like God turned on the AC and said, here you go. Now let's hope we get no rain on Saturday, and it'll be even better. What's up, guys? How's everybody doing? We are here at the Forgotten Angels camp out right now. We're coming to see our friends, the horses, because Miss Moto Crisis loves horses. Why do they cover their eyes?
Like sunglasses.
Oh, sunglasses? What's up, everybody? It is bright and early in the morning, the next day after the first night at the camp out. It's a beautiful morning. Got my coffee. Gonna make breakfast. People are just now getting up, so I'm gonna do some breakfast, get some food in me, and then we're gonna take Jeffrey Grommer, do a little ride around the neighborhood, see if we can see who came in last night that we missed. So I'll check you when we get back to that. What's up, my friends? Welcome to Friday of the Forgotten Angels campout. Say hello, Miss Moto Crisis. Hey. Okay. Anyway, we're gonna go on a ride to the winery, wherever that's gonna be. I'm gonna go on my own. Miss Moto Crisis is gonna stay here. She's gonna wait for Drew because Drew's coming. I'm gonna go get us a bottled wine, and yeah. But let's get. I think I got left behind because I don't see any bikes out here anymore. Alright, here we go. Everybody's here. Let's do this. Yeah, it's our first official ride for the Forgotten Angels campout, at least the first official ride for me. It's Friday, so we still got a good solid weekend. Yesterday was a travel day for us. We really just had time to set up, start meeting everybody and saying hello to the ones that we've met here at the campground, and also making new friends. I'm definitely looking forward to hanging out tonight. I'm sure tonight's going to be probably a precursor of the party that's going to be here on Saturday. You know, one of the things I like about Forgotten Angels and the bikes at Forgotten Angels is there is all kinds of different bikes here. It's not just a Harley show, even though Harleys are pretty damn awesome bikes. There is a lot of different bikes here. There's adventure riders, cruisers, gold wings, choppers, whatever you got, people bring it here. Oh man, guys, what a beautiful ride coming into this vineyard. It literally feels like we've just left Florida, and I envy you, David. You have some of the most beautiful country back roads to ride on. This was such a good call to come out here. I'm so glad I did it. Ah, this is beautiful, man. I can't get enough of it. Look at this, guys. Just look out there. All this land. There's still a lot of land in Florida. All y'all that see this, don't move down here. We already got too many people moving down here, so unfortunately we're closed for business. But you're more than welcome to come visit anytime you want. Wow, this is some nice area here. I just keep saying that. I don't know, I mean, but it's like now we're in hills, we're in twisties. Beautiful, just, I don't know. I'm in it all. That's it. I'm in it all. Alright, we're slowing down. I gotta pay attention, guys. So, I'll see you when we get to the vineyard. How about that? Juice is passing out the juice.
I'm getting everybody juiced up.
He's getting juiced up.
We're good, man. We're good together. Especially with a crew like this. So you can
you guys
split
are
up the
good.
tables, whatever you want to work here.
10 each.
What's that?
10 each, since there's 3 of us and 3 of us.
That works.
Yeah.
What's up, guys? We're here at
Everybody
the
wants
wine
you gotta be-
tasting in the Bunker Hill Wine. Everybody's gathering their wine choices. I'm gonna take 5 of some delicious looking wine that I have marked. I'm about to try them out right now. I'll let y'all know how it is.
You guys ready? You ready?
You see how we did that?
We're gonna go check out Bill the Harley guy's bike. He's gonna add some stickers to it. Let's check out what stickers. This is a nice bike too, man. I love. You got the
2020.
Memphis fairing on it.
2020 stuff.
You got the new. Is that a Corbin seat or it looks like one?
No, it's a
No?
It's a cheapo.
But it works the same,
Yep.
right? So Bill's gonna put the sticker right there first, the Midlife Moto Crisis sticker. Then we got to put the one that's dear to our heart. That's my Nick sticker right there.
That's right.
Perfect. Right on, brother. Right
Oh
here.
yeah. Hell yeah, man.
Hell yeah. What's up, y'all? We have stopped at the Fort Lonesome grocery store and gas to get gas. So we're topping off our tanks, taking a little break. We're not too far away from where we need to go. So I'm out here with all these lovely, crazy bikers that are here for the Forgotten Angels event. Life is good. Love you, Nick. Appreciate you helping me find my passion for life again. All right, let's saddle up and let's get down there. Look at David over here. David is sharing gas with everybody. What a fantastic man. It's just like, it's like buying a drink over here at the bar. You know, it's like buying a round, except we're buying gas around. That's pretty freaking cool, man. That is what's up.
About 30 more seconds to get up here. We love our family. Here they come. My man in the scooter. Once he gets here, we're starting.
I go.
I'm going to let David explain what it is. There's a couple of announcements before that, some very ones that I missed the other day, and I want to just mention them right now. You guys are all familiar with Little Stearns? Well, Cindy and I have made the decision that from now on, even though we can't officially change it, Little Stearns will be called Nick Miner Way.
Really? Oh my God.
Friends, the Miners.
Oh my God. What's up, guys out there? So this is the new Brabstar garage. This is where all the cool things are going to be happening. And because David decided to name this Nick Miner Way, you know I got to build a bike here at Brabstar. So stay tuned for that. I'm going to make sure that happens. I'll see y'all.
Good morning. It's day number 3 here at their Forgotten Angels camp out. And something amazing happened last night that I thought was really cool. Not last night, going into the evening. You know how they pull everybody, well, they pull everybody up on stage and give a little message out. And they announced that Brabstar Garage is going to be right here next to the Forgotten Angels camp property. But directly right before that, David got up on stage and said he's naming Little Stearns Road, and he's naming it Nick Miner Way. And all of you guys know Nick Miner is my son. Such a great honor. David's done more than enough for me. He spent hours on the phone with me. Literally hours helping me heal and get through this process, and then he does something like this. So I don't know how I will ever repay him. I'm gonna let my son Nick and God guide me in that direction. But it's freaking morning. It's beautiful out here. It's time to get breakfast going, and it's time to get some coffee. So I'll get back with you after I have some coffee.
What's up, guys? So I'm sitting here at the corner of Little Stearns Road and Stearns Road, and I'm thinking about what happened yesterday. And yesterday, I mean, maybe officially down the road we could do it officially, but David came out and surprised me and wants to rename Little Stearns Road to Nick Miner Way, which, man, that means so much. For those that don't know, you should check out my story. My son died helping somebody on the side of the road. He was a hero. And for the community, the motorcycle community, the football community, they all have came together and honored my boy like you wouldn't believe. Hello. I'm just enjoying the moment and having a reflection with my son Nick. But this road right here means so much to so many other boys and so many other people. And I can't be more proud than I am right now than I am of my son and what he's accomplished and what he's going to accomplish. In spirit, what's he going to accomplish? So let's go ahead and take a stroll down Nick Miner Way. How about that?
So, if you made it this far in the video, you probably want to hear the truth about Forgotten Angels. Well, here it is. It's a place where everybody belongs. Josh always says it's bad people doing good things. Some of that is true. The real truth is it's great people doing great things. My son Nick lived his life to the fullest and was great at everything he did. I always told him, be great, number 8. You see, he had me supporting him. I brought the greatness out of him. That's exactly what Forgotten Angels is doing. Way better than I ever could. See, if a young person knows they have someone who cares about them, they will do anything not to let that person down. It's also the same when they feel no one cares about them. They don't care about themselves. But Forgotten Angels cares. It's a special place, and it's the people that make it that way. We all just want to belong to something bigger than ourselves. If you ask yourself, how can you help? Talk about it. Share with your friends and family. Buy a raffle ticket to the link below. I know I'm a small YouTuber, but if one person tells another person and it continues, then we can continue to do good. I was lost for the last 6 months. If you're feeling lost and like you don't belong anywhere, come home to Forgotten Angels. They are always open and welcoming. I hope I get to meet all of you at the next camp out in October. It's going to be a special one for sure. It will be the 1-year mark, and I'm gonna need you all here so we can celebrate Nick. God bless you all, and be great, number 8.
So this is a ride right here. All right, everybody's going on a ride. I didn't get the memo.
Real quick, For those of you who are wearing a number 8 and are not sure why it is, Derek and Deanna's amazing son who we lost in October wore number 8. And so this ride is a dedication to not only his memory, but to the future of our dear friends here. So that's what we're riding for. So before we leave, let's light him up in honor of Nick so he can hear us before we take off. All right, guys?
They're over there.
Okay.
So bring it in real tight and then let's light them up, all right? No, bikes. All on bikes. You guys come up here?
Everybody here is, no, I didn't know. I don't get the memo. Is this a surprise?
All right, you guys can just stand aside from each other and let the bikes go through.
Straggler. That was so awesome, guys. I know, David's full of surprises all the time. Very cool. What do you think, babe? Say something to the viewers out there.
David and Cindy are awesome,
And their
come
shirts
check out
over there.
Forgotten Angels.
Yes. All right, let's go this way. I'm so glad I came in. I'm so glad that I watched a YouTube video about this place because it really is special. You guys really need to get here to see this. I'm gonna say my man right here is bringing in his new bike right here, slow as possible. They tricked me into doing it. Hey, we love it. Slow as you can, work that clutch if you can't stall. Oh, is it gonna be Grom on Grom? Yeah. Oh yes. We're gonna have the showdown, Grom on Grom. the mini bikes. I freaking love it, man. Oh, guys, it's about that time. About that time to pack it up, and it's about that time to say goodbyes. But to be honest with you, it's never goodbye. It's just till the next time. It's just see you later. It's no different than Nick, right? It's no different than him. It's never goodbye, guys. It's always just see you later. There's always going to be a next camp out. And not to mention, you can always just comment below, even if you just want to say hi. But with that, I want to leave you guys with me standing on Nick Miner Way. And I want to say, I love you. We appreciate you. We love you, Nick. Can't wait to see you.
See you in October.
We'll see you in October, of course. Be great, number 8.
Love you, Nick.
And we love you.
Miss you so much.
Till the next time, guys. I'll see you down the road.
Fucking hilarious.
He liked it. New Harley owner, already renting on his Harley.
Where's the other bolt at?
Right here.
Did you drop it?
Oh no! Oh, come on!
It's not the Harley's fault.
Can't blame that on the Harley.
Can't blame that on Harley. That seat's never been off of there. I know that screw's not loose like mine.